Neither of us has ever been in one of these buildings before, but we need a kitchen table. So here we go. So there was a post on Tumblr that I saw once that was comparing like coming out as a DID system in comparison to coming out of an IKEA, and I thought we couldn't resist the temptation of getting lost in one of these babies and filming it. Plus you guys can see the furniture we pick out, so that's a win-win. That's pretty nice. Whoa. I did not expect the elevator. So there's a bunch of different rooms with a bunch of different aesthetics, and I can definitely see how people can compare coming out as a system to coming out of an IKEA. I can't, look at that. You can like see differences, different altars, like in different rooms, dude. Or IKEAs. Non-human altars be like. Potential desk. Ooh, I hope so. I still feel like we're gonna get really lost in here, but there's couches on the wall, which is pretty sweet.
Condensed pillows.
Tube! Oh my god. Technology at its finest. I love it. Christ, it's like a lot of our system names, like names in the system, could be freaking like IKEA furniture names. This struggle is real.
We need
I did not.
We need to dive in.
I didn't know there was a door here. This is insane.
Oh my god.
Whoa.
That's so much. That's so much.
First purchase is one of these. They're so cute and they're covered in eyes. How perfect is that? Yeet. Do it.
Dude, there's a room back here.
Yo.
These are $9.99.
Just imagining like future things and oh yeah, we dyed Jessica's hair again. We're not diseased. Hey, DID systems, look what they have. Key cabinets for $8 here if you have lots of keys that you lose. This might be a good investment. Might have just found a table. Did you do this to the model hand?
No. I wish.
Oh jeez. No. Yeah. At least they have maps though. But like, I'm still surprised we haven't gotten lost yet. You guys have to know that they seal their toilet shut. In America, they seal the IKEA toilets. Probably so people don't put horrible things in them.
Or go to the bathroom like that, Grandpa.
I consider my mind just blown. Stay there. That's not a bad idea, but I think this clock is pretty great. Boys. But also, shout out to Dissociated for making cool shirts. You know, I think this would be one of those really nice boxes, one of those kind of things that can be just stuck under the bed.
I think this bed is vital for our survival.
People have like fancy pictures of their nice meals, but we're over here in IKEA like... He's been captured. Save him. Is this what successful adulting looks like? I think so.